Hi, I'm Apiwe Chacha, a service specialist in industrial tooling and assembly. Today I'll be talking about an STR wrench, which is the latest electronic wrench for us. Then this is not just an electronic wrench, this is a quality assurance tool. It has a built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module, which allows it to be able to communicate with the controller or the ST pad, for an example. So in summary, I would say of flexibility, it helps the customer to reduce the number of tools that they currently have on that particular station while covering majority of their applications. And also reliability, it helps the customer to minimize or reduce human errors. What I've noticed in some of the plants where they're using mechanical click wrenches, they normally have to write down most of the readings. After taking a reading, you have to write down on paper. But with these advanced STR wrench, this makes it seamless because you can extract data using a USB cable into your laptop. Thank you.